In our previous topic, we discussed understanding your coverage. Now let's move one step further. Because while insurance provides financial protection, preparation helps reduce damage before it happens. Let's talk about how you can prepare before disaster strikes. First, know your exposure risk. Before disaster season begins, assess your surroundings. Is your parking area flood-prone? Is your vehicle parked under trees or unstable structures? Is your area considered high risk for flooding or storm surge? Understanding these risks allows you to relocate your vehicle early, before a strong typhoon arrives. Second, secure your important documents. During catastrophes, quick access to information speeds up assistance. Save a digital copy of your insurance policy. Keep your OR and CR accessible. Store emergency hotline numbers. When documentation is ready, response becomes faster and smoother. Third, capture all sides. Photograph the interior. Include the odometer reading. Another important step is taking before-condition photos of your vehicle. These photos help establish the pre-loss condition during claims evaluation. Proper documentation protects both you and your insurer. Fourth, avoid risky behavior during heavy rain. Avoid parking in basement areas during flood alerts. Never attempt to cross flooded streets. Relocate your vehicle early when warnings escalate. Remove valuable items from inside the vehicle. Prevention not only reduces claim severity, it protects lives. Finally, keep communication lines ready. Save your insurer's contact number and know your nearest branch location. Prepared communication means faster claims coordination when you need it most. At Perla Insurance, we stand ready to respond, and we help you prepare before the storm arrives. Prepare for the next storm by checking your coverage today. Follow us and message us for more catastrophe readiness guidance every Friday.